Application of the concept of ionization potential, that is IP. First, to explain the trend from metallic to non-metallic character of elements from left to right in a period. At the left of a period in a periodic table, we have the elements with low ionization potential values. These elements therefore react by losing electrons and thus form ionic bonds. These elements are therefore typical metals. Near the end of a period, since the elements have high values of ionization potential, these tend to take up electrons and thus form negative ions. Thus, these elements are typical non-metals elements. Second, to determine the number of valence electrons in an atom. For example, in case of lithium or Li, first IP is 5.4 electron volt and its second IP means ionization potential, is 75.6 electron volts. These values shows that one electron can much more readily be removed than the other. Thus, there is only one electron in the valence shell of a Li atom. Third, relative reactivity of elements. Elements having high values of ionization potentials are less reactive, that is inert gases, while those having low values are very reactive. For example, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Next fourth property is reducing power of an element. Lower the value of ionization potential of an element, the greater is its reducing power, since easily removed electrons from the elements would be accepted by the oxidizing agent, therefore lowering its oxidation state. So here A sub 0 is a reducing agent and it loses electrons and becomes A sub plus, that is A sub 0 is reducing agent and oxidation of A0 gives A sub plus. Now next, B sub 0 is oxidizing agent, it gains electrons from equation 1 and change into B sub minus, that is reduction of B sub 0 becomes. Fifth property, basic character of elements. Lower the value of IP of an elements, the greater will be the basic character of the elements concerned. Now we see the electron affinity or affinity energy. The amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated neutral gaseous atom in its lowest energy state, that is in ground state, to produce an atom is called its electron affinity or affinity energy. It is generally represented as E sub A, cap E sub A or E, and is measured in electron volt or kilocalorie per gram atom. Thus, electron affinity can be defined by the equation cap A in gaseous state plus E minus change to A sub minus plus energy released EA or E. Here A represent neutral gaseous atom and E sub minus represent electrons and A sub minus represent an ion.